Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Fire Boltt 360 smartwatch. You can see what the watch looks like. This is a circular one, and it has a lot of information like a round HD screen written right on top, rotating dial UI, we have to check it out. Measures SpO2, heart rate, and also it's a fitness tracker. It's written, see, yeah, there it's written right over here. I think these are the other variants. I'll remove the plastic wrapping in a while. Other things are written here, like it comes with a strong battery life, has a heart rate monitor, training model, basically the same information as these, or rather this. Anything that I am missing that's very important? Yes. Usage time up to 8 days. It's written right over here. Usage time up to 8 days. That's great actually. Let's go ahead and open this box and see what the smartwatch actually looks like. There we are. This is what the Fire Boltt 360 smartwatch looks like. This is not the display, this is actually a sticker. I will get rid of that. This is what the display looks like. This is a full HD display. It's a very big dial. I'm already wearing a watch. It's almost as big as the watch that I'm wearing. The straps are pretty flexible. I mean, quite flexible. It's almost it's very tight around my wrist right now. It's very long, this particular strap. There you go. And yeah, let's take a look at what else is there in the box. This is a warranty registration card. Right here. So, this is of course the user manual for BSW 003, which is the model number for this particular smartwatch. A lot of other cards as well, like there is this a subscription for Ghana. There's also you can scan and redeem a lot of rewards and everything. A lot of free offers, particularly with this particular smartwatch. And finally, we have the charging dock for the Fire Boltt 360. Let's take one final look at the smartwatch. So there it is. This is the watch face. It's pretty big, as mentioned earlier. The straps are flexible and solid, and you can see the heart rate monitor right over here. That's it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Fire Boltt 360 smartwatch. Thank you for watching.